ಹಾಂ
The zoo went to the zoo with the grands. The zoo saw many animals in the zoo. The zoo saw the animals sleeping, eating and playing. The zoo walked into a cage and fell asleep. The zookeepers dropped fresh hay in the cage and locked the door behind him. The zoo got
ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿ
plenty of food to eat and could sleep all day.
ಅದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹಾಕಿ